This week on Kwentong Madiskarte, powered by PLDT Homebiz.
So the business started po out of love for nature. It's harder po kasi to convince people na to protect the environment, to recycle stuff if there's nothing in it for them. But if you encourage people to garden, if they find the joys in it, it's easier to convince them na to see the bigger picture.
Click like, share, and subscribe to this video for more Kwentong Madiskarte videos.
So Golden Pot started with selling just live plants, sold plants po from my own backyard, from my own mother's collection, from my tita's farm. We also got plants from a supplier who would give us plants for like 10, 20 pesos. We're able to get plants for really cheap. And then eventually I also started selling pots, and then I discovered making organic fertilizers. I composted my own fertilizers, and now I also sell cow manure, chicken manure, and other soil amendments. When this pandemic started and when I was homeschooling my child and teaching her gardening, I realized po that this can be a business that can give me fulfillment. So I decided that this is the business that I would like to do for a very long time. It's easier to convince them to see the bigger picture. This isn't just about plants. This is about greening the environment for the future generations. This business po is my way of recruiting people into the green lifestyle. When I started my business, I sold a lot of plants. I sold them by the truckload. But eventually, like after a year po, I found that I was selling more fertilizers. Siguro kasi yung mga plantita already have dozens and dozens of plants. So mas marami na po yung organic fertilizers. In fact, my most income-generating product po at the moment is cow manure, which is an organic fertilizer, and I've already sold po 6,800 units at this time. Before, I had a physical store. I was only able to reach people within my neighborhood, people within my community. But because I'm now digital, I'm now on Shopee, I'm now on a platform that can serve people anywhere in the Philippines. I have a wider customer base po, and I can reach more people. Ako ay may discarding eco-friendly dahil nagpatap ako ng business na may long-term solution to battle climate change.